Saitech and welcome back to my channel Saitech. In today's we'll try to do the Fortnite gameplay test in this iQOO 3 device. As you can see, friends, the iQOO 3 smartphone which has got the Snapdragon 865 processor. So let's see, friends, what are the default settings we can actually get and whether we can use this kind of monster press sensitive buttons or not while playing the gameplay. I need to check whether we can have the 4D vibrations or not, whether eagle eye enhancement is there or not. All these kind of features I'll try to check in this entire video. In case if you are interested, so don't try to skip the video, friends. That will be really interesting thing to see. So first thing is that let me try to open the game. So after opening the game doesn't add into the ultra game mode. Yes, so you need to manually go into the settings and try to add the game into the ultra game mode. Let me show you how to do that. And let's go to the settings and scroll down to find the ultra game mode. Try to click on the plus button where you can find here. So click on the plus and try to scroll for the Fortnite. So you'll be able to see Fortnite. Click on plus and that's it, done. Now the game is successfully added into the ultra game mode, and now you should be able to enjoy that kind of ultra game mode booster enhancement. Let me try to close this game first. Let's see, because I did not see that kind of change right now. So now maybe it should be open. As you can see, friends, right now we did open with the multi-turbo mode. So now let's see what are the 4D vibrations is available or not, whether there is kind of pressure sensitive option present or not. That is what I'm going to explore in this video first. As you can see, friends, right now, so we should be really interesting as well in terms of doing this kind of Fortnite game test in this Snapdragon 865 processor, which is a 1-year-old mobile phone which you are right now I'm trying to use, which is Snapdragon 865 processor. Let's check the first settings. So as soon as you go to the side, you can see the options which says the eagle eye view is present and the pressure sensitive buttons is also present. So you can use the pressure sensitive buttons in this Fortnite game without any kind of issues, friends. You can actually do that in this phone. That is another good thing in this iQOO 3 device, as you can see exactly, friends. So now let's see whether we'll be able to play the 60 FPS option or not. That is another major question a lot of users are having, whether 60 FPS is possible in this phone or not. So that is what I'm going to check in the iQOO 3 device. So I'll try to compare the gameplay as well with other smartphones. In case if you are interested, I can do that kind of comparison. Let me try to go back to the settings and see first the settings. I don't want all this kind of things. Let me try to go back to settings and see the settings. As you can see, friends, right now I'm getting the 20 and 30 FPS. There is no 60 FPS. As you can see, even if I decrease the quality as well, I'm not getting the option of 60 FPS, unfortunately. But 30 FPS you can use with the epic quality. As you can see, friends, let me try to enable the show quality as well. Let me try to turn off this music. So now let me try to show you the settings. As you can see right now, let's go to the settings. So 30 FPS and epic settings and show frame rates. I did select the option as well, as you can see, friends. So now let me try to go back and start playing the game match. Let's see what will happen when I try to start playing the game. Let me try to got it, and let me just start the game. Why I'm getting, yep. And we don't have any kind of options to see the real-time FPS meter, unfortunately. That's another drawback. But I need to check this kind of pressure sensitive button whether they will be able to, I need to set or not. I'll try to set the pressure sensitive buttons. Let me try to see the controls. As you can see, friends, right now the real-time FPS on the top, you can see how much it is. So I'm getting about 30 FPS. I'm trying to drop, and it dropped to 16 FPS as well when I'm trying to jump exactly. I'll try to compare side by side with the iQOO 7 device in case if possible. So in this way we'll be able to judge it what is happening in this phone as well. (30 FPS I'm getting. Still is showing 30 FPS only, no sign. So some frames have been dropped just now, I did observe. There's some kind of frames are dropping sometimes. Let's see, friends, in this time what will happen with the FPS drop. As you can see right now, the frame rates you can see clearly. Frame rates are going up to 30. So I'll need to set this kind of pressure sensitive buttons. Once I get this kind of gun, I'll try to set the pressure sensitive buttons and I'll try to show you exactly is it fast and accurate or not. So I wish we could have the 30 fps or 60 fps option in this phone, but unfortunately that's not the case. All the guns are dropped completely down. I think so. I'm getting the haptic feedbacks as well. Vibrations is really strong as well while playing the game. That is what I'm checking at this moment. Checking the haptic feedback when I'm trying to beat it. I'm getting really strong vibrations. That's fantastic, friends, in terms of the haptic feedback. No issues. Sometimes, as you can see, the FPS has been dropped a little bit. As you can see, the frames are dropping. Sometimes you did see right now what is happening. Now let me try to open the presence to buttons and enable, and let me try to select the scope. I'll try to keep it here, and the gun button I'll try to keep it here, and save changes. As you can see, that's a couple of times I'm seeing some kind of frame drops as well. As you can see, friends, right now you can see the speed as well. So you can see the latency as well, it's not that much happening at this point. And the vibrations are really strong. So haptic feedbacks are really stronger in this phone. No issues in terms of the haptic feedback I'm getting. So well, friends, this is the quick gameplay of this and for more information, make sure to stay tuned for more details, friends. And thank you for watching this video. And there is no 60 fps option while gaming. Unfortunately, that's a big drawback at this moment. As you can see, the scope is also working 100% fine. So I'm going to be back in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.